Simple Man is a simple song. I promise you can play this. It's really not that hard to play. What a beautiful song by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Let's get right into it. I posted a tab there for you, but I also posted chord charts with string numbers that you hit. In case you don't like to read tab, just read those numbers. Those are the strings you hit on those chords. Okay, let's get started. So on your 5th string, play open, 2nd fret. That's called a walk up. Now grab a C chord and pick the following strings. 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's the first part. And then stay on that C chord, go 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so we've got. All right, now, the next chord is a G chord. We don't need the whole chord in this song. So just hold this, kind of the bottom of the chord, as though you were going to play the full G chord, but 3rd finger on the 6-3, middle finger on the 5-2. Pick what it says there. It says to pick 6, 4, 5, 6, and then 3, 4, 5, 4. So altogether your G chord is 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay, let's put those 2 chords together real quick here. So let's walk up. Notice I'm trying to alternate pick as much as I can. Sometimes I double them. This song is slow enough where you can kind of downstroke the whole thing if that's what you're comfortable with. Make life easy. No reason to stress. And the last part of this riff, guys, we're almost done if you can believe that. A minor chord. Okay, read that chart there if you can. Hold your A minor chord. We're going to stay on this A minor the rest of the riff. Okay, pick what it says. It says 5, 3, 4, 5, and then 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so we have. Now stay on that A minor, and let's just do this first part here. 5, 2, 3, 4. Now drop your pinky onto the 1st string and play 1, 2. Let me play through that whole riff now without talking. See if you can play along with me. I'll go real slow. Okay? Ready, go. Guys, that's the whole verse riff of Simple Man that goes on for like 6 minutes. Now, let me show you how to do that really cool guitar solo that happens in the middle. I'm not talking about the fast solo. I'm going to skip that in this video. I just want to show you the rhythm. Just that little guitar interlude that sounds like this. It's so fun to play. It sounds so cool. Super easy, okay? There's a tab there for you. So on your 5th string, do the same thing we did in the riff. 0 to 2, 3. And do use your 1st finger for that. Now reach for your 5th string, 5th fret. Bend the heck out of that. That's a full bend. Up and down. And then, I should say down and up. And then 3rd fret of 5, and then 3rd fret of 6. Okay, so you have 2, 3. Okay, do that bend again. Fret, and then 5th fret of 6. Okay, so you have 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, at the very end, he does this. Open 6, 3, open, and then there's a slide there. I like to do it with my 1st finger, 3 to 5. You can do it with your 3rd finger too. Okay, so that's that little cool guitar interlude, electric guitar, of course, that sounds like this. Now for the chorus, the picking pattern stops and they just strumming really. The electric guitars are just playing these chords, but we can play them on acoustic. It's very simple. Go like this, and I'll tell you a little secret about this in a moment. Watch this. C, G, downstrokes, down, down, up, down. C, G, down. Now here's my little secret, guys. The chorus is the whole song. You can do that from the beginning of the song to the end of the song if you just want to sing the tune without the complicated picking, okay? So that's all it is, guys. So C, G, A minor. One other little thing you can do in the chorus is you can imitate the electric guitars. They do this riff again. They go after the A minor. You can kind of throw that in there on the acoustic if you want to try. So you go C, sounds kind of cool if you want to do that. If not, skip it and just stay on the A minor chord. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.